I'm going to be waxing my Oof. Oh no! What is it? Oh my god! Look. Oh, I'm going in with another one. Oh no! I made a mess. Oof. Ow! Look. Shit. Oh god! This is getting serious. Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh. The pain level, like a 3/10. Okay. Guys, look. Like I'm doing my lap, and that can also be very, very painful. Okay. Oh god. Halfway through. Oh shit. Oh. And this one is not so much, right? Wow. I mean, this is really like, ooh, so painful. Got it. Look, I'm really taking a lot of wax today because I want to be as close to perfect as possible. Ooh. Ooh. This is like the serious stuff right here. Like, the middle parts that is so coarse and thick. Yes, that's what we're doing right now. Oh my god. Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh my god. Ooh, that one was so painful. Look. And the hair is not so much, but it's a lot of follicles right now. Really enjoyed waxing today. So yeah, that's the end of today's waxing. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, okay? Bye.